Here we have a fire orange 1989 BMW M3 with a fully rebuilt drivetrain from a 2004 BMW M3 for our very own well-deserving Ruben Frias. Built by the wizards at Garageaholic, this car is about uniqueness, fire, power, and firepower. The E30 is quite unaerodynamic, and that's why they made the slightly less unaerodynamic E30 M3, which shares only 2 body panels with the stock coupe, the sunroof and the hood. The windshield gasket is more aerodynamic, the C-pillar is angled more, the fenders are box flared, and it has an adjustable front downforce lip, all to make this race-ready M3 as slippery as a dewdrop. These cars finally have a logical location for a cup holder, nestled right beside the coolest set of auxiliary gauges you've ever seen. It's got carbon fiber, in case you hadn't noticed every single time you dart your eyes. This is a Hartge relic, not Hartge, not Hartge, it's Hartge. Pays homage to the 1971 German tuning company known for their iconic wheel style, dual-slash logo, and performance packages. Unfortunately, their business model floundered in 2019. In fact, if you go to hartge.com, you'll be gracefully routed to a 1996 yacht salesman from Galesville. And as if to pass the torch, Born was Garageaholic, and has been flourishing ever since. And if that's not enough,
it's got air jacks.
This car has more bells and whistles than Santa Claus directing traffic in Times Square. It's got lights, tools, gauges, more tools, a gas tank, and a gas tank. And I gotta say, Robinson Design Company absolutely nailed it with the design, application, and installation of these custom Hartge graphics. And while this car has so much going for it, we can't help but wonder, what did it take to get here? Delivered in April of 2023, this M3 project was realized, having been handed from shop to shop, paint job upon paint job, finally ended here, where I was assigned to tear it all down and start back from square one.
This harness is also abysmal.
We started working on the air jacks, we got the 4-point roll bar installed, and we were working on getting the entire car blasted for a brand new U94 Fire Orange paint. Then started the rebuild, meticulously installing factory brand new parts. The 3.2 liter S54 with a fully reconditioned throttle body setup, brand new headliner, a fully custom stitched interior, and that was just the beginning. New factory OEM glass with new NLA trim and gaskets. And the rear end? Well, you could just eat right off that rear end. Just gobble up all that eye candy. The steering setup was custom and fully rebuilt. The valve cover. And of course the valve cover shield is carbon fiber.
Bam.
The can check module.
Now.
And of course, well, there's a hood. Did I mention brand new custom orange and carbon fiber Hartge leather seats? Fully custom exhaust, dual 2.5-inch all the way back. And as we get ready for first start, just a quick word from our sponsor.
You gotta stay lubed. I'm nervous. I gotta admit, I always get nervous for first starts, and I've had a lot of them. It's always the same feeling every time. But I know that the engine isn't gonna break. It turned over, it's got oil pressure, everything looks good. Might as well just do it. Throttle actuator's moved, I hear the fuel pump, and here we go. Yes! Okay. All right, throttle's not working, but it's idling. First time start, oh my God, can you ask for anything better? There you go, guys. say that I've never built a car like this. At least haven't enjoyed it in a long time. I remember when I was 16 years old, just got my first BMW, I took the long way home. I haven't done that since I actually built this car. It's the kind of car that you just want to keep on going around the block just one more time before you call it in for the day. You just want to keep on driving. I have never in my life tried so hard to build a car that was so custom in my life. You know when you're driving a car and you pass somebody and you know you hope that they see it? Not only do I hope that they see it, but I feel bad for them if they don't see it. I feel like they're missing out on something if they don't see this passing by them on the road.
11, almost 12 years with this car. It's insane. I keep saying that. I can't believe it. It's, like I say, when you find the right person, you find the right person, right? It's amazing that you stuck with it this whole entire time. Somebody else would have already dumped it 3 or 4 times, or screw this, I'm not dealing with none of this nonsense. Oh, man.
You'll hear him before you see him.
Yes.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah. The sound. Woo. I got something it's kind of for both of you guys. It's the last piece that'll go on the car, and I'll let you guys install it.
Nice.
Oh.
Here's something.
Sounds like a downshift. And so it said it would give me the. There it goes. Oh my goodness.
Here it comes.
God, that looks so good coming out of the road. Oh man, it's just beautiful. Oh, look at the decals, man. Dude. Oh, just like I had it in my head the whole time. Hand this off to you, because this is the last piece I want you to put on the car.
Whoa, look at this. This is awesome. Why don't you open up the hood?
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Goes like this. There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool.
All the trials and tribulations, whatever a tribulation is, scope updates, customization, and most of all, my failures have made me a better fabricator, mechanic, and a person. Through the various adversities in this project, I persevered, and together we adjusted, modified, and tweaked. Schedule slipped, issues found, problems fixed, but through it all, he stuck with me, and I him. Ruben deserves this car, for his dream came true, and I wouldn't change a damn thing. Now who's next?